Now it's time once again for the yummiest show in the world, Cooking by the Numbers. Now, here's your host, Chef Ruthie.
That's Ruthie!
Whatever.
Bonjour, and welcome once again to Cooking by the Numbers. I'm Chef Ruthie, and today we're going to make a fabulous number, one I like to call the number 9. Sorry. Now let's get right to it, shall we? Now the first thing we need to prepare our number 9 is 9 lemons. Yes, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 lemons. Next, we need 9 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't this fun? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 oranges. Next, we need 9 cherries. Ooh, yum, yum. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cherries. Last but not least, we need 9 grapes. As you can see, 9 is a very fruitalicious number. I love grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 grapes. Very good. Now, we need just a pinch of sugar. What didn't go over there? Perfect. Now, we mix it up. And... oh, there we go. Oh, fellas, you're fighting. All that noise indoors. The cherries are fighting with the grapes. And the pinch. Oh, I forgot to pinch the pinch out of the cherries. Look at the toys. It's wonderful. And voila! Yes, indeedy. Yes, indeedy, the number 9. Isn't it fabulous? Oh, let's taste it, shall we? Oh, just go like that, and... There's too many lemons. Too